Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's 1-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch between kilometers an hour to miles per hour on your egg rider display on your Surron. I bought my Surron a couple months ago and I couldn't figure out how to switch from kilometers to miles per hour. And although kilometers an hour makes it look like you're going faster than you are, I wanted to accurately have the speed I was going shown to me. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. All right everyone, we're currently at my cockpit on my Surron. Now I wanted to mention the process of switching from kilometers an hour to miles per hour is the same back and forth. So you just follow the same steps. So you only want to do, take your key, put it in the ignition, but do not turn it on. Locate the little red button here on your egg rider display. You want to press and hold the egg rider button and then turn on your ignition. Till it beeps, continue pressing and holding. And just like that, it'll go from kilometers an hour to miles an hour. You are good to go. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button and we'll see you in future Sur Ron videos.